If you guys enjoy off-roading videos or you are interested in possibly joining us in one of these off-road trips, this here was in Pennsylvania, Roush Creek Off-Road Park. Make sure you follow this Facebook page. Also join the JMC Rides Off-Road group on Facebook where we post the videos also and make announcements of any future off-road trips. Hope you guys enjoy. No, this is going to be a fun one. It's very muddy. It's very, está todo bien mojado. I see a lot of smoke coming.
Uh-oh. Does he have lockers on there?
I don't. It's a Ruby, isn't it?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, me too. This is a good test for the tires.
Yeah.
Filming. Very slow. No.
Oh, you got it, baby. You got it. Give it some gas.
Keep going. Don't stop. Yeah, he would have made it if he didn't stop.
Yeah. Well, for some reason when he's at an angle, he said his transmission goes right to neutral because all the fluid.
Oh, really? He's going to have to go again.
Start over.
But I think he could definitely make it, though.
Yeah, he's gonna make it.
I would back it up and come back up a little faster.
No, he's hitting both differentials, man.
Oh, he's hitting rocks in the middle?
Yeah,
No, then don't do that.
yeah, because they hit him from the bottom.
Yep, he doesn't have the height.
He didn't even come close.
Yeah, when he hits that part,
That's what he's hitting that. But is there a rock there or is that just mud?
that's your
Oh, okay. As long as he doesn't like slam the differential. This is my first time like this in the rain. It's so much more fun.
Yeah, it is.
I can't film with the drone, but it really is a lot of fun. Oh no.
I'm not going nowhere.
Kevin, you turned the wheel the wrong way.
Queremos ver si Juan lo va a hacer o no lo va a hacer.
You weren't by any chance filming.
Why?
You weren't by any chance filming from the top, were you?
I was trying
That's
to
the next time.
you know, and I was on that side.
I wonder if
got
anybody
you.
was filming. You got something when I was coming up? Oh, okay, cool. Ooh. No. I would go around, man.
I better go this way.
Yeah, we should have two spotters coming through here.
Yo, it's fucked it up.
Can you imagine somebody comes over here and just goes off the edge?
Yeah.
Because it's still...
Yeah, you can slide this way too.
Yeah.
I bet you kind of fucked up the cheek though.
Nah, he won't, but it's too soft.
just rears?
I don't know if you got front and rear, but I see the front.
The front and the rear, just
Yeah, both. Yeah.
This is awesome. I love this right here.
I love his determination, man.
This guy's gonna make you go viral. Oh, you got it. You got it.
Yeah.
You see, he had to go quick though. Yeah. I don't think he has the right tires, and I don't think he has the height. This one definitely.
And the brake over on that.
This one I called it as soon as I saw it. I knew that was gonna do it. You're digging. Your diff is digging into the ground.
Yeah, that's so funny. It's not gonna do anything.
No, it's not gonna mess it up, but it's not gonna let him go up either, though. That's what you were doing. You were
Yeah.
digging into it. Like, it's not gonna let you go forward.
All right, the big challenge now. Come on, let's go.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Yeah. All right, guys, you're watching a replay right now of the same first attempt. Now, why am I explaining this? I'm explaining this for people that are new to modifying their Jeeps, people that are new to off-roading. If you take note, number one, I'm going up this obstacle at minimal speed, and I'm really trying to prevent hitting the gas too much, because if you start going crazy with the gas, guys, that's how you're going to start breaking stuff. Every time I go on these off-road trips, it's very common. You know, I always see people breaking their stuff, and I'm not saying my Jeep will never break down. I'm sure it's inevitable, and someday something will break on the Jeep. But I always try my best to take it easy on the gas. Now, why did my Jeep go up this obstacle so easy? It really did make it look simple. In my opinion, these are the reasons. One, it's a Rubicon, so I actually used my front and rear locker. Two, I'm running on 37s. Now, I wasn't the only Jeep that was running 37s when we tried going over this obstacle. But in addition to me running those 37s, I also have a Pro Rock 44 front axle housing, which, from my understanding, don't quote me on this, but the Pro Rock 44 is actually supposed to give you a little more clearance compared to a typical Dana 44. A very common thing that I was noticing when these vehicles were trying to go over the obstacle was that the front differential was just digging into the dirt, into the mud, and I believe that my Pro Rock 44 didn't look like it was even touching as I was climbing this. The black Jeep that had the roof rack on it also has 37s on the same exact tires that I'm running also. Most of these guys, I was noticing the diff was just kind of digging into the mud, and it was actually holding these Jeeps back. Someone's got to put it neutral at least. I don't want this tree to come down on me, guys, so we have a winch hooked up over here to this tree. I'm not sure if this is exactly best practice. Let's see what happens. I think I'm standing under the tree and I'm gonna get hit, so I'm gonna move back a little bit. YouTuber doesn't want to die here at the off-road park. Be my next injury. That's good, that's good. I want to thank everybody who was able to join us on this trip. You guys actually did awesome. I know it was the first time off-roading for a lot of you guys, and not only did you guys do green trails, but you also did blue trails, so you should be very proud of yourselves. Everybody made it through all these obstacles and was still able to do another 3.5 to 4 hour drive home in your Jeeps. So I really can't wait to do this again with you guys soon. Again, if you're interested in maybe joining us in one of these trips, follow the Facebook page and also join the JMC Rides Off-Road group on Facebook. The links to all of this will be in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.